sa isang interview niya, sinabi niya daw kay Heidelin talaga,
Yes, coach.
nung 2020, na gusto niyang makagoal.
Imagine, tapos ngayon nasa kanya na yung
Kaya, ka-practicalers, ka-abante, ito po ang testimony na ang words of affirmation, kailangan positive words ang lumalabas sa ating bibig. Positive thoughts, law of attraction. Kasi yan din ang isang matututunan natin kay Carlos Yulo.
Yes,
diba? Kasi talagang minanifest niya na makukuha niyo yun. Pero, yun ang gusto kong ipaalala sa practicalers and kaabante.
Yes.
Ang positivity po, ang words of positivity, like we call it words of affirmation, yung positive lang ang sinasambit mo, no? At yung visualization, yung puro goals mo lang na na-achieve mo na, yun ang ini-imagine mo. Eh, hindi po doon natatapos yun, ha? Kaya ko po dinidiscuss sa inyo kung ano ang naging journey ng ating mga atleta. Kasi it takes a lot of hard work, patience, discipline, and sacrifice.
Yes, coach.
So,
baka yung iba kasi, coach, pa-imagine na lang, kaya ko to.
Lalo na ngayon, Tala, no? Pag I browse the internet, especially in SOCMED, parang there is oversaturation already about manifestation, law of attraction, positivity, that sometimes it's the wrong practice already.
Totoo.
We tend to forget that it's not just our mind. Yes, I agree. Our mind is very powerful.
Yes, coach.
But remember, God and the universe did not only provide us with a mind or a brain. Regardless of how powerful the brain is, that's the reason why we have different parts of our body.
Tama, coach.
Para magamit natin,
Opo.
para magsikap tayo,
Opo.
para ma-achieve yung mga visualize natin and yung mga gusto nating positive things that come our way.